so we are using synthetic division to find p of -2. Now, a lot of you already have done a problem like this where you're doing the remainder theorem to find p of -2, which actually you can do to make sure that you're getting the right answer for doing synthetic division. I actually would recommend that. So go ahead and write this problem down. It's 2x to the fourth, 5x cubed minus x plus 6. But because this problem says use synthetic division, we have to do it. We have to do synthetic division. Okay, so we're going to take this -2, and instead of plugging it in for x, like we do for the remainder theorem, we're going to bring that -2 down and do synthetic division. Now, this is where, so what you are missing here is a term. So remember, for synthetic division, you have to have every single term in descending order. Descending order is the highest degree to the lowest. Now, what you'll notice is we're missing an x squared term in between the cube and the regular x to the first, right? So rewrite it with that missing term having a 0 coefficient. It needs to be there because we have to have a placeholder when we're doing the synthetic division, okay? All right, so now when we do the synthetic division, let me delete all this. Remember, as long as you guys remember how to do synthetic division, we take these coefficients here. It's supposed to have it yellow, more of like a highlighter. And we are writing those down. Remember that this is really a 1, a -1. So we're going to bring those numbers down here. I'm going to do 2, 5, 0, -1, and 6. And then remember, for synthetic division, we always bring down that first number and we start with that. Okay, so what we're going to do is multiply. So every time we come up and over, every time we have a number here, 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 we come up and over and multiply, up and over and multiply, up and over and multiply. Okay, so we're going to start here. 2 times -2 is -4. Don't forget that we add when we go down. So -5 and -4, I'm sorry, +5. +5 and -4 makes 1. Then we go up and over. 1 times -2 is -2. When we add those numbers, 0, -2, we get -2. And then up and over, -2 times -2 is a +4. And then this turns to 3. Then 3 times -2 is -6. So our remainder would be 0 on this one. Okie dokie. Let me know